Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Rater and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Oh wow, am I not wearing my shades? It's a pretty dark day, so look at that. It's Friday the 13th, and I've got something special for you. Got a box, but it's open. I already did the unboxing time. And it came in a UPS Express Pad Pack. Pad Pack, that's right, Miles. And in that Pad Pack is a big Ziploc. So let me look here. It is a prototype. Where did it go? Boil the noodles 3 minutes, then add the powder and the liquid. Okay, so we're gonna sit. Yeah, I need my shades. I look up and it's just like, ah! It's a really big pain in the butt. Not only that, my glasses are shot. I really need new shades and regular glasses, but that's kind of expensive. So, I'll live. Don't worry, folks. But anyways, yeah. So, we're going to take out everything but the noodles first. That's the seasoning base. That's the liquid base, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. The noodle block going in the boil for 3 minutes. So you're probably like, okay, this is some kind of regular fancy seasoning base that they've concocted. This is Vite Ramen, so it's got, this stuff is going to have like vitamins, vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein. It's very complete stuff, and for being so complete, it's got low sodium, which some people have said, oh, I wish it had more flavor, but they've said, hey, use some soy sauce, and it works just fine that way. But yeah, what's this? Do you know? Well, it's this. It's called Fly by Jing. Come on. Come on, phone. I don't have time for this seriousness, craziness. Craziness, not seriousness, craziness. Yeah. Sichuan Chili Crisp by Fly by Jing. Where's their logo? Well, it's on there somewhere. There it is. Fly by Jing. And currently there's a, well, it's on there. I think they totally destroyed what they wanted. It was insane. They had a, I didn't set a timer, but I did look. I think we're getting there. They had a Kickstarter, and they wanted 10 grand to help fund, and I think they got like some ridiculously huge amount of money. So kudos to Tim and Tom over at Vite Kitchens for once again having the amazingness. I'm gonna guess that it's probably about a minute and 20. There we go. Enough time to get a couple of these tickets peeled. Today's a weird day. Is this? There we go. Yeah, today's a weird day. The president just declared a national state of emergency. And so I guess that's good, but I don't know. I think it was a lot of glad handing and saying things. Actions speak louder than words. So we'll see. But hopefully we can get all these kids back to school. I haven't really won anything in this the last few times. And yeah. But 2 in a row. Toilet paper. But isn't it the deal? Nobody has toilet paper anywhere because people just bought all the toilet paper. So I saw an ad for what do you call them? N95 face masks. And I clicked on it because it had a deal on them. And actually, a buddy of mine sent me a box of them recently. But what's kind of crazy about it is they want, what was it, $9.99 a piece, 10 for $98.99, a box of, it's like a box of 200 for $1,500. It's like, whoa, wow. See, when they have like a big crazy thing happen in like, where is it, the Philippines? Like if there's a tsunami coming, or maybe not a tsunami, but a typhoon that's hit, what do? They freeze prices and things like that. And I'm just kind of like waiting to hear that we're going to do that, but I don't know if we're going to do that in the interest of, what do you call it? In the interest of capitalism, we are not going to do anything to keep people from gouging their fellow citizens. You know, it's just this. I don't know. I hope things work out. That press conference today, there were a lot of good things said. I'll put it that way. But it's depressing, you know? This whole deal is very depressing. Especially since YouTube keeps pushing these videos. I saw a video last night. I was going to the bathroom. Which I do. You know, I'm a human. I was going to the bathroom, sitting there looking at YouTube videos, and then there's this one about the Spanish flu from about it, like a documentary about it, of the Spanish flu of 1918, was it? A long time ago, and just like the horrors of that. I was like, man. Okay, come on. I want to get all this stuff in. I'm going to say first off, getting this out of the sachet is kind of difficult. I'm having no problem with the oil, but the rest, well, we'll get there. I'm going to get it all out. No matter what happens, I gotta get it all out. I'll get it all out. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do another cut. They were saying that some people say it's pretty darn spicy. And I'm going to do a mukbang with this. What the heck? Tomorrow's my birthday. I don't know. Everything seems to be going absolutely horribly lately. For example, my birthday party's tomorrow, and they're saying there's a high wind warning, and we're looking at like 60-mile-per-hour gusts that ends like at 6 p.m. tomorrow night. So I'm having it. I don't care. I mean, I'll sit there all by myself and just vape and look at the ocean. You know. But yeah, it's up in Anacortes. But hopefully it works out. But That's just like one in a string of like things I've looked forward to with great happiness, and then of course it just works out to be not going as planned. So how am I gonna get this stuff out? There's gotta be an easy way. I don't think this is the standard sachet that they're gonna use. This thing is burly. I know what I'll do. I'm gonna get a spoon. Not just a spoon. A spoon. I'm gonna try to dig it out. You know those dealies you'd use to dig food? The spoon. Here we go. Yes! Because I want I mean, technically what I could do is just, I've got that jar of chili crisp, but I'm going to use the amount that they have supplied. Yeah. Prototype. You can't get this anywhere. Not yet. But soon. I hope it's good. I'm guessing that it will be pretty darn good. And good for you. It's got molybdenum in it. If it's anything like the other ones, it's got some molybdenum. It's a mineral, but it's also something. What do they say? If you look it up, it says molybdenum is something used to make the metal used for swords stronger. Okay, I'm calling that good. And turn that off. Let's give it a stir. It smells good. I've been being bad today already. I've been having my new favorite thing, which is graham crackers, crunchy peanut butter, and what's the other thing? Jam. Like strawberry's alright, blackberry's alright, but blueberry, wow, that was good. But I'm all out of blueberry, and I thought, oh, I haven't had blackberry yet, so I got some more blackberry. So let's put this in here. I'm not going to try it right now. You'll get to watch me eat all of this. If this is like the other ones, this is 500 calories. And I'm going to do it straight. I'll do it all gussied up when they have their final to market version. That sounds like the way to go. But yeah, here is a straight looking bowl of Sichuan chili crisp Vite Ramen. Oh yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna go and eat this. So watch for the spicy noodle mukbang episode where I eat the prototype Vite Ramen in conjunction with Flyby Jing spicy chili crisp ramen noodle. It's been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacía contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro, que les pidan a Cupido y que traigan pica pica para tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón.